Learn English grammar in minutes. This lesson focuses on the basic rules of spelling changes, while forming a plural noun from its singular form. Most singular nouns add an s at the end of the word to form their plurals. Nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch, x, o, form their plurals by adding e and s at the end. However, there are exceptions in this rule. In nouns ending in y, followed by a consonant, y is replaced by ies. In nouns ending in y, followed by a vowel, an s is added to form the plural. In nouns ending in f or fe, f and fe are replaced by the es. However, there are exceptions in this rule. Some nouns don't have any particular rules to form their plurals. Subscribe to watch more videos on animated grammar presentations, interactive grammar exercises and vocabulary quizzes.